Good morning. Good morning. Let's jump on. Let's get into it. Good morning. 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 How's everybody doing? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Good morning. 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 What's going on, Reggie? Let's go. Let's go. Look, we're about to hit a zone right here. Obviously, if we look at the 8:30 candle, we flew up and then we came back down. So again, we're going to retest. We're going to wait for this thing to retest. We're going to wait for this thing to retest just like it did. We see that it's respecting this 34,475. 34,475 is kind of where we want to definitely look at. We're obviously on a 5-minute chart right now. And that's kind of where we're going to stay. We're going to stay on the 5-minute chart. Let me pull this up just a little bit here. All right. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to stay on the 5-minute chart for right now. And where I'd like this thing to come up to is obviously she's respected this 34,475, and we're obviously looking for a sell. What's going on, James? We're looking for a sell, okay? We're looking for a sell for her to come up into this area here. She's obviously not going to come all the way up. She's coming up into an area right now. So if she comes into the 70s, we're going to take a sell, okay? So she's at 60 right now. She just fell about 10 points. We want her to come up to about 470. 470, and we're going to get in. 470, we're going to get in, okay? And again, when I say 470, guys, I'm talking about the last 3 numbers here, okay? The last 3 numbers here. She's obviously respecting this area. She's obviously respecting this area. Okay. 8:30 candle. Boom. Shot all the way up here. Came down. Shot up again. Respected. Came down. Shot up again. Respected. Okay. And now look, we're making a trend line. Okay. So again, right underneath this wick here, that's where we're going to get in. It would have been a great entry if we would have got in, but we didn't. We're going to wait for her to come back up. Okay. So we're at 438 right now. 438 right now. We got 45 seconds left on this candle. At the beginning of this candle, at the entry of this candle, I will take a sell. Okay. I will take a sell at the entry of this candle. Okay, we got 30 seconds left. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's having an amazing, amazing week. Okay, we got 19 seconds left. I'm going to take a sell at the beginning of this candle. So we got 14 seconds left. Okay, hope everybody's having an amazing week. We had a great session yesterday. It wasn't live, but again, we are live, hopefully for the rest of the week. I'm in. Boom, I'm in. Let's go. And we're going to just get a quick bag. We're going to get in. Boom. We're out. Boom. Bag me. Let's go. 1-0. 1-0. 1-0. Who just got that bag? That was a quick little 6-point drop. Take your profits. Little 6-point drop. So we're going to wait. We're going to see if she's going to come back and retest this area. This 34,450 is kind of another area that I'm looking at. And again, she's at 30.31 right now. Okay, obviously she dropped literally right at the open of that candle. We got in, she dropped. We got a quick little 6-point bag, in and out, in and out. Didn't even have time to set a TP, just literally in and out. Okay, she comes up to 34,450. We're going to get back in. 34,450, we're going to get back in. Okay. Man, last couple weeks have been crazy. But again, we are back on track now. We are definitely going to be on, as early as 8:30 Central Standard Time. And I may be taking some late sessions as well. The beginning of the London session, which is about 1 a.m. Central Standard Time, my time, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then obviously on the West Coast about 11 p.m. So again, you guys may see me kind of go live during those times. I've actually been trading during those times and actually have been very successful. It's actually a little bit slower, but again, if you're moving in the right direction and going with the trend, we could usually catch some bags. So we're going to definitely kind of start doing that. So we're going to wait for her to pull up. We got 2 minutes left on this candle, 3 minutes left on this candle. Actually, we're going to wait for her to pull up. I would say into the 37.40 range, 37.40 range, 37.40 range. So 437 to 440. That's kind of where we're at. Kevin, how you doing, sir? So yeah, I'm market executioning. Absolutely. So again, we're just scalping. I did take an entry at the entry of this candle here. I did take an entry at the entry of this candle, caught about 6 points. Okay, so you'll see that I scalp anywhere from 5 to 10 points. There may be some, depending on how deep of an entry I have, where I actually let her run. But again, honestly, I'm all about just taking profit off the table. Okay, and then obviously looking for a deeper entry. Okay, so again, she's obviously just running right now. She's breaking this right here. So I'm going to say come back to this 27 area. If we can come back up to 427 is kind of an area where I'm looking at 427. Okay, we're at 415, 427 area. Obviously, the higher the better. 427, 430, somewhere around there. 21, 22, 23, 24. Come on, a little bit higher. 25, 26. I'm about to get in. 28. Boom, I'm in. Boom. Let's go. Okay, I'm about to take a bag. Drop a little bit more. We're about 5 points right now. Let's go. Big drop. Boom. Let's go. We're about to get about a 5-point bag real quick. We're still in it. Let's go. Big drop. I'm not even setting a TP. I just already have it at close. And I'm just waiting for her to come down. About 5 points. Boom. Out. 2-0. 2-0 literally on that one there. We got 9 points. 9 points on that entry. So again, if she comes back up into this area, I'm about to get in again right now. Come up a little bit further. Boom, I'm in. Now I'm going to wait for this drop. Just pulling up a little bit. We're okay. Boom, let's go. I'm going to get a quick bag. Even if it's a 5-point bag. 5-point bag. Boom, let's go. Big drop, US30. Come on, let's go. Big drop. pulled up on me. We're okay. If she pulls up to 50, I'm going to get in. So about 40 right now, 42, 43. Boom, I'm in. 44, I'm in. Let's go. Big drop, US30. Let's go. Come on, come down. Now we just wait for this drop. Honestly, after these two trades here, I'll most likely be done. I'll have my 1% for the day. So I'm actually going to set the TPs at these because I have time because she pulled up a little bit. So I have a little bit of time to work. I'm going to set the TPs on these. Modify. All right, perfect. So this is where I'm at so far, guys, is I literally have one open at 427. So she's about 30 points out of my range right now. Okay, pulled up about 30 points. I also have one open at 442. So I'm going to take the TP. I literally have her set at 400. Okay, my TP is 400. So I'm anticipating her dropping all the way down. Okay, if we get into this wick here, I will be closing this out. All right, here we go. Big drops. There we go. Let's go, US30. Do your thing. Let's go. I will be done with this. After this trade, I will be done. Let's go. Let's go, US30. Let's go. Come on, get down here. Yes, sir. Let's go. Yes, sir. Amen to that. Let's go. Big drops. Let's go. Big drops. Yes, sir. Big drops. Let's go, US30. Big drops. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Amen to that. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, let's go. Big drops. We have our TP set. We have our TP set for 400. Okay, but if she gets into this wick down here, I will take obviously profits. Obviously, anything into this wick here, I'll take profits. But again, I'm set for if she flies down. All right. Hope everybody's having an amazing week. Definitely love to hear results. We are back on. We are live, guys. Let's go. I'm very excited for this week. We're gonna have an amazing week. And again, we are obviously trading on funded accounts. We're trading a funded account with my Forex funds. Okay, my Forex funds is where it's at. We can obviously have a deeper conversation about that if you have any questions. But again, we are in a funded account. We're about to get a bag. And we're preparing for that weekend withdrawal. Let's go. Obviously, she's just consolidating right here. She's just moving up and down right here. We're waiting for a big drop. We're in at 27, so she's about 10 points above our entry right now. And we're in at 42. So we are in profit. Boom. Let's go. Let's go, US30. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Get down here. US30. Yes, sir. We're in major profit, guys. We are in major profit. Let's go. Get down here. Let's go. Get down here. Get back down here. She gaps like that. You got to be careful. But again, we're okay. We're still in major profit. We're still in major profit. Okay. We're pulling up. We're going to pull back down here in a minute. We just opened up a new candle. Let's go. Get down here, US30. Get down here. Get down here. Let's go. We're about 20 points outside of our entry. Actually, 30 points outside of our entry. Here we go. Let's go. She's respecting that 450. She's respecting that 450. We got 3 minutes, 42 seconds left. 3 minutes, 42 seconds left. Let's go. Big drop, US30. Come on. Let's go. Let's be done with this session. We've been on this session now for 16 minutes. We're about to be done, guys. We are about to be done with this session. We're about to be done with this session. Let's go. Big drop. Let's go. Give me a drop, US30. She's also respecting this area as well. So again, this could be it, guys. This could be it. I'm going to pay attention. I wasn't paying attention on that last drop. I actually missed some profit. I would have actually got out, but here we go. This is our drop. This is our drop right here, guys. This is our drop. Let's go. 39. So we are about 10 points out of profit right now. 10 points out of profit on one trade. 10 points out of profit in one trade. We're in profit on another trade. Let's go. Big drops. Let's go. Let's go, US30. Big drops. Give me a big drop. There we go. That's what we wanted. Let's go. We're going to take a bag on this one here. There we go. Yep. And again, we're not going to get a huge bag because we're going to get out of this one. We're at 31. We need to come down to about 27. And if we come down about 20, we're good. She's bouncing between that 30 and 40 range, but here we go. Let's go. Drop. Drop, US30. Come on. Get back down here. Come on. Let's go. Get back down here. Come on. So we got 1 minute left on this candle. 144 to be exact. There we go. Let's drop into the 30s, back down in 30s. Here we go. So she's going between 50 and about 35. 50 and 35 is kind of where she's playing. We got a minute 11 left on this candle. Let's go. Here we go. Big drop, US30. Let's go. Come on. We got 49 seconds left on this candle. Okay. We're okay. We're about 30 points outside of our entry. 30 points outside of our entry. I'm okay. I'm okay, guys. We got 28 seconds left. We need a big drop. Come on, big drop. I need to close below this 50. Come on, big drop. Close below this 50. Get down here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get below that 50. Absolutely. Close below that 50. We're going to continue to drop. We closed right above the 50. Could be trying to fake us out, but we're going to drop right now. Here, let's go. Let's go. Get down here. So we're about 20 points outside of our entry. So if you actually go to my YouTube channel, okay, and you go down below, you'll see a link for my Forex funds. And you can get a funded account through my Forex funds. I do the evaluation account. Obviously, it just takes some time to obviously pass 2 evaluations. But again, the profit splits are your first withdrawal 75%, your second is 80, and then obviously you get to 85% on your withdrawal. And once you become VIP, then you get 90%, 90-10. You keep 90% of your profits, and the bank gets 10. Okay, and then obviously 10-15%, you can obviously scale your account up. If you're going to start with the funded account, I would recommend a $50,000 account. Anything below that really isn't worth it to me. So if you're going to start, definitely 50. But again, if you click on that link, I obviously have a pretty deep discount code with them. As again, I do have close to $600,000 in funded accounts with them. So. I've just been really, really busy. I do want to actually do a YouTube on really funded accounts and really how to take advantage of, obviously trading on other people's money. There's a lot of funded accounts out there. Honestly, the best one is my Forex funds by far. They're the fairest. Any problems that I've ever had, they've been very, very, very easy to work with. And again, it's just, it's been great. Once you get your live account, then obviously you just lower your leverage and, again, I try my best to go live Monday through Thursday. But again, I'm not always on, but absolutely. Again, we get bags on my live. I'll definitely help as much as I possibly can. Absolutely. Yep. Because again, I'm trading. I'm right next to you guys trading. I'm not just telling you guys what to do. I'm actually taking these trades and entering these trades myself. So again, this is my session. So I usually trade anywhere from 9 a.m. Central Standard Time to 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. So again, this is my session. And so again, I'm taking live trades. So right now, we're about to get a bag. Hey, no problem. Thank you. Thank you guys for all the support. About to get a bag. Boom. Got a bag. Bag me. Boom. Let's go. Big bag. Big bag. Let's go. Let's go. So again, guys, we are done with this session. This session, we did over $2,000 in profit. Let's go. Let's go. And again, guys, I trade. This is on a small $50,000 account. This is a small $50,000 account. And again, here's the deal. She ran. I'm out. I don't care what she does at this point. I got a bag. I'm done. Okay. So again, guys, that's it. We are done. And so again, I will definitely, like I said, if you go into the description of my video, you will see my Forex funds. And like I said, if you're going to start an account, I would definitely start with the $50,000 account, and I would do the evaluation. One thing about my Forex funds is there's no longer a time limit. So there used to be a 30-day time limit where you had to pass the test or you had to pass the evaluation, You don't need to do that anymore. Yes, let's go, Reggie. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about. So again, you don't need to, just take your time. One of the things is I'll definitely talk to you guys about leverage. On a $50,000 account, you want to look at what your really what your loss is. So for example, my threshold is anywhere from 30 to 50 points. That's really in my mind, that's my stop loss. So that's how I calculate what my leverage is and what my lot size is. Okay. But again, I'll definitely help you guys. And then once you get your live account, you literally lower your lot size to where now you're just getting profits. So again, we use the 200 EMA. The 200 EMA just tells me, it confirms my direction. Okay. We obviously can tell here that we're obviously in a downtrend. Okay. But what the 200 does is it just confirms that. Okay. I'm trading under the 200 EMA. All right. But again, we can tell with our naked eye that we're under. Okay. These here are bank zones. Okay. Every 50 increments is a bank zone on US 30. Okay. And then we have these middle of the bank zones. Okay. That tells us, hey, usually if she crosses the middle point, she's usually going on to the next bank zone. Okay. If she crosses and breaks the middle point, she's usually going on to the next bank zone. Okay. So again, obviously like here, obviously this is a huge engulfing candle, engulfed all this candle. Okay. So literally we got a minute 12. What I would do if I was still in this session is I would literally take the sell on the entry of this next candle, because you got this engulfing candle here. So I would definitely play the momentum. You also have this wick to the upside, which means that the sellers have taken over because of the size of this wick. Okay. So again, in 2 minutes, 46 seconds, if we're still showing a wick to the top side and we're showing a body down, I would take a sell to the bottom, because again, you have all this momentum on this engulfing candle. You have this wick to the top side, which shows momentum from the sellers. Okay. And you're just going to ride it. Okay. So again, guys, like that's what we do, is we literally support resistance. Okay. Supply demand, bank zones, and then obviously just candle bodies and candle wicks. We keep it very simple. I use no indicators at all. And the reason being is they lag. Okay. So if you can get good at, with the naked eye, seeing what the chart's doing, what the setup's doing, that's it. And again, we're in and out, guys. Like literally, we're in and out. Let me look at my account here. Let me look at what our longest trade was. So our longest trade actually was about 25 points, but one was 5 points, one was 9 points, another one was 6 points. So that's literally, I took 4 trades on this session this morning and we're done. Okay. So again, literally guys, like obviously one of them ran because I got in at 442. Okay. 442, almost the top of this here, almost the top of this red candle. I got in and then it just ran. Okay. And I didn't even have a TP on that. The other ones, and my TP actually was down here at 400. Imagine if I would have kept that TP. But again, at the end of the day, I as soon as I saw profit, I was out. Okay. Supply and demand. So obviously, okay, when you see big wicks like this, okay, this is someone's stop loss up here. Someone has a stop loss up here. She's gonna come pick that back up. She's gonna eventually correct. Okay, she's gonna eventually correct. Okay, and if you look at this big drop here, let's just throw a fib on this. Okay, look at this. She could potentially correct up into this area. Okay, she's gonna potentially correct up into this area, and she could possibly retrace all the way up, because there's supply right here. There's liquidity right here. Why? Because these are stop losses. I mean, this is where people put their stop loss, okay? Because this is the last high point, all right? So again, like she's gonna go back. She's gonna eventually correct here, come get this money and potentially continue to fall. Okay, so supply demand, what I would recommend is just looking up supply demand. Look up, obviously your, bank zones. And again, we only trade US 30. We only trade US 30. Okay. Also, okay, another thing, you see the DXY, this is the dollar. Okay, so if the dollar is falling or if the dollar is raising, US30 is going to do the opposite. So look at this, DXY, dollar is running, US30 is dropping. Okay, so again, just some kind of tips and tricks, guys. So again, if the dollar is running, US30 is falling. All right, just some little tips and tricks there. But again, guys, like I literally am just giving you just how I trade. I don't share things that I don't use. We can definitely, again, like we can get into some indicators. Obviously the RSI is probably, if I was to use an indicator, the RSI is probably one of my favorite indicators to use because you're able to really see where price is at. That's the whole thing, is just understanding where price is at. Okay, where it's come from, overbought, oversold. Okay, that's what the RSI shows. But again, like I said, guys, like I don't need to use it. And if you can not be dependent on indicators, and with your naked eye you can see what this is doing, I mean, you're gonna be in great shape. Okay, but again, 31 minutes in, we're done with this bag. We're done with this session. And yeah, so again, DXY, the dollar is rising. The dollar is rising. US30 is usually going to fall. Okay, and you can see it. Look, under the 200, the DXY is above the 200. All right. So again, just confirmations of just really where the price is at. You know what I mean? And that's it, guys. But again, thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of you guys and the support that you guys definitely continue to give. I will definitely be on in the morning. I'm going to try to get on as early as I can, close to 8:30 Central Standard Time. And then if I'm on tonight and I'm trading, I'll definitely jump on. And if you guys can join in, great. But it'll definitely be on YouTube as well. But again, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. It's called DXY. It's the DXY. Yep. Here it is right here. DXY by capital.com. US dollar index. US dollar index. US dollar index. Capital.com. And then obviously the US30 that I use, capital.com, with Traders Global. It actually matches up pretty good. All right. So again, cool. Thank you guys so much. Reach out. You're absolutely welcome. Thank you guys. Have an amazing day. I will see you guys in the morning. Okay. Be good today. Have a great day. God bless each and every one of you. And I will see you guys in the morning. Take care. Bye-bye.